Hello YouTube, Zach the Fiend Aconite here, and this is going to be a real quick t-shirt video. You may recall from a while back I did one design sort of all wonky and weird, like this was the first crow shirt I made. It was supposed to be like, I don't know, it's supposed to be kind of like the bloody bird that was on Funboy's chest. But I used the one that he made out of fire as the reference. I don't know. And on the back it says they're all dead. They just don't know it yet in red. I do like this shirt. It's just the trouble is it doesn't fit. So I figured instead why not opt for a bigger size. Plus I didn't like the material because I usually just go down the craft section because it's cheaper. And it's like the Gildan, however that's pronounced, shirts. Heavy cotton, and this one's a medium, so it's not going to fit my spare tire. So I opted for something a little bigger, which was a large. And I think the brand on this is George. G for George. Damn, which way did it go, George? And I love the hell out of this design. Mostly, I fucked up one of the sleeves. Mostly inspired by a design that kind of already exists, where the eyes are visible enough through the wings. It's actually kind of similar to the patch that I made for my DIY patch making tutorial, which, yeah, that's also forever ago, but I don't think I did an awful job at it. Turned out longer than I expected too, and I was I'm so sorry that it didn't turn out the way I think when it lasts almost 20 minutes long, it's, you know, it doesn't matter whether or not I got to finish the painting of the patch. You might recognize that crow shirt from the Paul Bits from Clockwork Orange Take 2. That was that was wow. And funnily enough, like I said, I really just made that because I like the shirts. I wanted to keep the original alive somehow, sort of make a better fitting version, not just make it for the gag, although it definitely helped. If we weren't in a state of pandemic right about now, I might just either give the other one away or sell it. Speaking of which, speaking of the pandemic, I actually just got banned from Gothic Fashion Amino over a COVID-19 joke. Something I said about a bad taxidermy bath. I was all smiling weird. Yeah, they had an argument that it's not fair and that it could be triggering to some people. I say it's not fair to not talk about it. A, because they didn't say that you can't talk about it. What is this, the Fight Club of diseases now? And or B, it's not fair for people who want to talk about ways to prevent it. Like, oh, I hope you're safe out there, and I hope you're washing your hands out there, and I hope you're wearing a mask out there. Right? Because I also shared a mask that I made a while back. I'm surprised they didn't ban me then, if it's that taboo, but I don't know. Basically, I definitely think that people should just calm thyself. Grow a thicker skin, maybe. Especially if there's no real excuse in throwing a pissy fit. You panic, you fail, is all I'm saying here. Believe me, I played GoldenEye a while. I know how chaotic things can get when you lose your shit and just start flailing around. That's not what you want, okay? Be positive. So if you like, please like. Feel free to share obscure little thoughts in the comments below, as well as to share the video itself. Subscribe if you wish to see more. Don't forget to hit the bell if you do. And as always, thank you so very much for watching. I love you all, and yeah, stick around a little while. I've actually got a couple of bloopers from the Paul Bits. Me jacking up my sound equipment a little. I played the wrong sounds. He keep calling me. He keep calling me. Keep on calling. Son of a bitch.